So now for hands-on exercise number 3, we're going to work on embedding a struct in another struct. So we're going to embed a struct in another struct. And for that one, we're going to do this exercise right here. So I'll let you read through that. You can pause the video, read through that, do this exercise, then come back here and unpause the video, and you can watch this solution, which I'm going to do right now. So the first thing we need to do is create a new type, vehicle, and it'll have doors and color. So I'm going to go to the Golang playground. And I want to create a new type, and it's going to be vehicle, and it's going to be a struct, and it'll have doors, which will be an int, and color, which will be a string. And once I have done that, I then want to create 2 new types, truck and sedan. Type truck, struct, and it's going to embed in it a vehicle. A truck is a vehicle. And then also sedan is a vehicle. And this one is going to have a field. That field will be 4-wheel and luxury for sedan. 4-wheel, which is bool, and this will be luxury for sedan. And format that. Now we want to create, using the vehicle, truck, and sedan structs, use composite literal, create a value of type truck and a value of type sedan. So let's do that. So truck will be equal to a truck, type truck, and then curly braces. So there's our type, followed by curly braces, and then put in the fields. And the first field will be vehicle, and that's going to be of type vehicle, with curly braces, and we'll have a trailing comma after that because that's one of the fields we're putting in. And vehicle is going to have doors, and that'll be 2. It'll be a 2-door truck, and color will be, I like white. And then we're also going to put in whether or not it's 4-wheel, and I would like 4-wheel. There we go. And then let's format that and run it, and we'll use T. And vehicle, there we go. Undefined white, needed string around that. Cool. And we'll do the same with sedan. So S : sedan, composite literal, vehicle, curly braces, comma, and then luxury. And we'll say false, just an old car. And then we'll do doors, 4, and color, I don't know, silver. I like black for sedans, actually. Format it, run it, and we need to print that out, so we use the variable. Nice. And now it wants us to also print out each of these values, print out a single field from each of these values. So we could do this. And we could show that we have inner type promotion by just printing out doors. Pretty cool. That's your solution for hands-on exercise number 3.